Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, I will show you to convert your text into the audio format. Here you can go and search text to speech online. So you will get multiple tools including AI tools, and you can use these tools free of cost. So here you need to add your text. So first of all, let me go and copy this text. Then let's go back here and add all the text here. So now you can select the language. We need to select English, and here you can select the voice female as well as male. So let me select male. Then here you can play it. So after that you can download this file, and here you can see we got mp3 file.